Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk through how to process text with LangChain and OpenAI. We'll split document into chunks, create embeddings, store them in a vector database, finally retrieve the most relevant chunks when we ask a question. So first thing we need to do is that we need to split our text. So this is the text, it is the string of values and then here we are using the recursive character text splitter. We are splitting our text into smaller and manageable chunks. As you can see, I have given the chunk size of 50 and a chunk overlap of 10. So this is nothing but max characters per chunk. Chunk size will tell the max characters per chunk and overlap will preserve the context. So large documents can't be fed into an LLM at once. So splitting ensures context is preserved and embeddings are meaningful. Here we are splitting text to chunks. As I said, like LLMs cannot take unlimited text input. They have a context window limit. If your doc is huge, say 100 pages, you can't just give it all once. So you have to break or split the document into manageable chunks. Suppose you have a 30 pages of document. If you try to give the whole thing to an LLM, it is too big. It won't fit within that context window. Instead, you have to split it like this. Chunk 1, like page 1 to 2, chunk 2, page 3 to 4, chunk 3, page 5 to 6, and so on. So in the next, we are generating embeddings. Embeddings are like numerical representations of text that capture semantic meaning. With OpenAI's text embedding 3 small or text embedding 3 large, we can convert chunks into vectors. So once we have embeddings, we need to store them in a vector database for fast similar search. That is, we are using files as a vector store. So all those embeddings, text embeddings are which are in form of chunks are stored in the files vector store. So once we have embeddings, we need to store them in a vector database for fast similar search. And LangChain supports many backends. Here we are using like files for simplicity. Now we can retrieve most relevant text. When user asks a question, the vector store performs a similarity search to find the closest embeddings. Let me run and you can see. So as you can see, these are the chunks after splitting. You have the large text, but as you have break the text in form of chunks, you can see each chunk. It has nearly like 50 characters. So artificial intelligence is transforming. This is a chunk. So whenever you ask a question, it can retrieve the data from these chunks. So yeah, which companies are leading AI innovation? Retrieve chunks. From the retrieve chunks, it has answer like companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft. Yeah, that's it. You have just seen how to split, embed, store, and retrieve text with LangChain and OpenAI. In future videos, we'll connect this with a chatbot interface. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.